Hey, everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a really interesting concept that plays a huge role in both consumer behavior and investment decisions, the social proof effect. So, what's social proof? Simply put, it's the idea that we tend to look to others to guide our own choices, especially when we're uncertain. If something seems popular or widely accepted, whether it's a product, service, or investment, we often assume it must be a good choice. For example, when you see a product on Amazon with tons of 5-star reviews or a stock with a lot of buzz around it, it can make you think, if everyone else is buying it, it must be worth investing in. In the world of investing, social proof can be a powerful force. It's common to see successful investors backing a particular asset or stock, and that can lead many people to jump in, thinking they're making the right call. But here's the thing, just because everyone's doing it doesn't mean it's the right decision for you. Let's look at history for a moment, the dot-com bubble of the early 2000s. As tech stocks started to skyrocket in popularity, everyone wanted in. Investors flooded the market, causing valuations to soar until the bubble eventually burst. Many ended up losing significant amounts of money. Social proof, in this case, led people to make decisions based on the crowd rather than understanding the underlying assets. So, how can you use social proof wisely as an investor? The key is to strike a balance. It's totally fine to be influenced by trends and other investors, but always do your own research. Before jumping on the bandwagon, make sure you understand why an investment is gaining attention. Look into its fundamentals, assess its financial health, and think about its long-term potential. Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights on finance and investing. And remember, sound investment decisions are built on research, not just what everyone else is doing. See you next time.